Hey, this is John from Alloy 211. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at that 8mm Mauser Ethiopian military surplus ammunition I picked up the other day from Outdoor Limited. I've shot a little bit of it already. I'm not that hopeful, but we'll see how well it goes. Well, at least that one was a hang fire, I guess. Well, let's see, how many was that? Three out of 5 didn't fire. And one of the ones that did was a hang fire. Not looking too good. There's 5 more. Let's see how those go. Give this one a second strike. Fired. Second strike. Misfire. Didn't fire on the second strike. Misfire. Misfire. Oh, that's terrible. Hang fire. At least that one fired. One more. Hang fire. Not very accurate with the hang fire. We're going to stop the video here real quick and check some things out. Okay, now we're back after a little pause. I went ahead and picked up all the shells that I tried to fire that misfired and gave them another run through the gun. After that, of the total 10 rounds I tried to fire, 6 actually fired. I'm going to kind of point that away from me. I don't know how that looks. Hopefully that looks okay. As you can see, it did definitely hit the primer. The primers look a little deep. Kind of hard to tell. But it did definitely impact the primer. These just didn't fire. So out of 10 rounds, I had 4 misfires, and pretty much all the ones that did fire were hang fires. So, you know, what do you expect for ammunition from the 1950s? I guess that's about the best you can get, but hopefully you found this helpful and informative. Thanks. If you liked it, go ahead and hit the like button. If you want to subscribe because you've watched some of my other videos and like those too, I'd really appreciate that. Thanks, and have a great day.